Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holder? This is be alert video, my friends, for all Zilliqa holder, because the condition is going to be very critical now, and Zilliqa is completely fails down minute by minute, hour by hour. So what's the main reason today fails down, and what we do in this critical situation, my brother? Sell, hold, or buy. What we do? Don't do this mistake, my brother. Absolutely, if you do one mistake, and this time exactly you are completely in the lost, my brother. You know what's the mistake? The mistake is that you cannot research and Instagram, you cannot research and Twitter, you cannot research on Google, and just you take a decision to when they fails down, you just take decision to sell. Definitely, my friend, remember to after a fail, every graph is to take a very huge jump. So exactly I will explain you in this video, and after a research, my friend, I will predicate this coin to an upcoming time. Can there is a chance to they move upward or not? Kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel. If you are new on my channel, most welcome, subscribe it and be alert, my brothers, to every stake channel will update you, my brothers. So kindly subscribe it. This chart, because the last 7 minutes chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing to the change actor will be positive now in the start of this month. It's a very great news for all Zilliqa holders. So they just only starting moving upward. Definitely after a long time they're starting moving upward. So it's a very good news, my friend, and it's a brand time, my brother, to upcoming time. There is more chances to they moving upward. Definitely, my friend, if they moving upward in the start of this month, exactly there is more chances to upcoming time they take a very huge jump, and more jumps, my friend, in upcoming time. So holders, Zilliqa holders, just Zilliqa holder, please, my brothers, don't sell it. You know why? If you are starting selling, exactly they fails down. So if you check out, my friend, the last 2.5 hours chart, then we understand to what's going on in this current time. You can see they fails down in this time. So don't see this short fails. Absolutely, after a jump they fails down, and after a fails, remember to they take a very huge jump. So Zilliqa holder, I research on Twitter, and absolutely I cannot see the latest update, my friend, especially a very big update, but definitely, my friend, therefore you can see here I will update you the price. The price is, you can see here, my brother, 0.12 USD dollar in this time. Also the price, this is one of the stable coins, so try to understand, my holder, my brother, to when they fails down, absolutely they cannot take a very bad fails. They take a very short fail, and absolutely after a short fail they absolutely take against a very big jump, and they starting go in the moon, my brother. So as a brother, my friend, I will share my opinion to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope Zilliqa will make you millionaire in upcoming time. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.